In this section, we'll review how to enter your parents' information. In this section, you will enter your parents' marital status. If they were married or remarried, make sure you put the date for the most recent marital status. Also, if your parents are separated or divorced, you must also enter the month and year in which they were separated, divorced, or widowed. If your parents have a social security number or ITIN number, you can enter it in line 65. Make sure you enter their last name, first initial, and date of birth. If your parent is married, remarried, or not married but living together, you must enter the information for parent 2. In question number 73, parent email is optional, but you are required to enter if your parents have lived in California for the last 5 years. In this section, you will be entering your parents' household size. You'll be entering yourself, your parents, and any dependents or children that your parents will be financially supporting between July 1st, 2021 and June 30th, 2022. Only enter additional dependents or children if your parents provide more than half of the support. In question number 78, you will enter the number of students attending college between July 1st, 2021 and June 30th, 2022 who are part of the household size. This includes yourself.